Hi, here is flower classification using dataset 50 and using TensorFlow framework. We have dataset of 102 flower category. First of all, we will download dataset from this link, and then we will download the labels. Then we will extract the dataset because it is in tar file. We will have to extract this. Everything will be stored in current session. Here we are reading .mate file. Now here we are preparing our dataset. We will use a data frame where there will be two columns. One will be of images and images paths, and the other will be of images labels. Here we have made our dataset. Then we will visualize some sample images. Here we are loading and augmenting our dataset. First we will split the dataset in the 80 and 20 ratio. Here we can see that we have to apply a transformation on our dataset. Here is trend generator, which will load data from data frame train.df, and here is test generator. Now we will use Resonant 50 model with the base model, and then we will add some custom layers, and we will freeze the layers. We will freeze some layers. We can see that there are 175 layers in our model. Here we will compile our model using Adam optimizer and categorical cross entropy loss learning rate callback, which is reduce learning rate on plateau, which means if accuracy is not validation loss is not increasing, it will decrease the learning rate. Here is model training. Here we have saved our model and downloaded it. Here we are evaluating our model. We can see that there is 46% accuracy, 46 loss, and 86 is accuracy. Here we are just plotting our accuracy and loss curves, and here we will test our model from on a single image. We will just run this and choose a file, and then it will predict which class is this. Thank you.